Hello students. Today let us learn chapter 1 knowing our numbers exercise 1.1. The first question is write the expressions for the given statements using brackets and solve. So they are given expression, we have to use bracket and then solve it. First is 28 multiplied by the difference of 50 and 2. So 28 is multiplied by the difference of 50 and 2. So that means 28 is multiplied by the difference. That means subtraction of 50 and 2. That 50 and 2. This is the equation or expressions. That is 28 into 50 minus 2. So you have to convert this statement into expressions using brackets. Okay. So 28 multiplied by 50 minus 2, that is 50 and 2 difference. So the answer is 28 into 50 minus 2. This is equal to, first you have to subtract this 50 minus 2, that is 48. And you have to multiply 28 to it. 28 into 48 multiply madadimge answer 1344 barutte. So you have to multiply by yourself. Okay. Second question, 36 is multiplied by the sum of 207. Here they are given sum. Sum means add. So 36 is multiplied. That is 36 is multiplied by the sum of 207. So by the sum means 200 plus 7. So this is the expression you have to write it. That is 36 into 200 plus 7. So 36 into 200 plus 7. If there is no sign before the bracket, that means it is considered as multiplication. 36 into 200 plus 7. First you have to add this 200 plus 7, that is 207, and multiply 36. 36 into 207. If you multiply 36 into 207, the answer is 7452. Okay. Let us see the next question. 45 is multiplied by the difference of 20 and 2. So 45, I write 45 is multiplied. Okay, multiplied by the difference of 20 and 2. That means 20 minus 2. So difference means minus. You have to put a bracket before 45. So 45 into 20 minus 2. So 45 into 20 minus 2 is equal to, first you have to subtract this. 20 minus 2 is 18, and you have to multiply with 45. 45 into 18 gives the answer as product of 810. Okay. Next question. 75 is multiplied by the sum of 108. So when sum, if they give a sum, means you have to add in between 100 and 8. You have to add 100 plus 8, and 75 is multiplied. That is 75 into 100 plus 8. You have to put bracket for 108. Okay, this is the expression 75 into 100 plus 8. And then you have to add this 100 plus 8. You have to add this, that is 108, and multiply it with 75. If you multiply 75 and 108, the product is 8100. Okay, this is the answer. So next question, solve the following by using brackets. So you have to solve this by using brackets. Yes, you can direct multiply it, but they asked to use bracket. We have to use the bracket and solve it. So here 109 into 25, and 25 can be written as 20 plus 5 or 30 minus 5. You can write any of this thing. So using this bracket 20 plus 5 or 30 minus 5, and if you multiply it 109. 109 ಅನ್ನಿವ 20 plus 5 is multiply ಮಾಡಿ or 109 na 30 minus 5. You have to put this the equation you have to use by using this bracket. Okay. So here I have used 20 plus 5. 20 na divided to 20 plus 5 and multiply. So you can't multiply as it is, and again you have to add this 20 plus 5, that is 25, 109 into 25. This is multiply madi. You will get the answer as 2725. Okay, this is the answer. Second question, 53 into 110. Here also you can use 53 into 100 plus 10. First 100 plus 10, this in the bracket, I am using the bracket. Okay, 53 into 100 plus 10. That is nothing but you have to add 53 into 110. The solution product is 53 100 plus 10, that equals to 5830. This is the answer. Okay. Third question, 507 into 35. Yes, you can use subtraction sign or plus sign. For this, you can use 30 plus 5 or 40 minus 5. 40 minus 5. So 507 into 40 minus 5. So this is the reward again. If you subtract 40 minus 5, that gives 35. And again 507 multiplied by 35 is, here the product is 17,745. Okay. Next question, and solve all the remaining problems as it is. I have shown only 3 problems. You should solve the remaining problems. Okay. Next, third main, express the following Roman numerals as Hindu Arabic numerals. So you have to write it in Hindu Arabic numerals. They are given in Roman numerals. In the last year, you have learnt about Roman numerals. That is, I will read the I. I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. So if you know this, the short form or symbols, you will be able to solve the problems. Okay. I andre 1 value, V andre 5 value, X andre 10, L andre 50, C andre 100, D is 500, M is 1000. So this is the values for the letters alphabet. And here on rules, first I will explain the rules. You cannot use more than 4 the same number. For example, if I use I ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸರಿ use ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ for 4. For 4 you cannot use the same symbol 4 times. So this is a wrong way. For this reason we have to use less number first and bigger number next. So ಇವಾಗ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಯ್ತು. First is the less number. I value 1, V value 5. So if ulta bandre number, you have to subtract. So 1 minus 5, that is, if you subtract, you should subtract 5 minus 1, this is 4. The value is 4. You have to write 4 like this. Okay, IV is 4. Is 1 point. First point. Second point, you should, if the small number first bandre here, you have to subtract. For example, x1, xi andre, it is 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, see 10 is bigger number, small 1 is smaller number, so you should add 10 plus 1, it is 11. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ I x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, see I value 1, x value 10. So 1 ಬಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ 10 ಬಂದರೆ you should subtract. So the value is 9. Okay, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. For example, D, the value of D is 500. So I'll write DC. DC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? D is 500, C is 100. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ first 500 ಆಮೇಲೆ 100 ಬಂದ್ರೆ you should add. 500 plus 100 is 600. The value is DC is 600. ಅದೇ if I write C and D, value of C is 100. C 100, D value is 500. So first 100 ಬಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ 500 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಯ್ತು. First is lower number and next is greater number. That means you have to subtract. The value here is 400. 100 minus 500, that is 400. Okay, understood? Okay, let us start the problem. First question, L V I. So L, the value of L is 50 and the value of V is 5 and the value of I is 1. Here also I is 1 and 1. So here the value of L is 50, you have to write 50, and 5 plus 3, you have to add this. 5 plus 3 is 8, so 50 plus 8, so 50 plus 8 gives the value of 58. So the answer is 58. It is so easy, you can now do it. 50 plus 8. Okay, next question nodana. So next question is L x x x I I. So L value, you know, L value is 50. Okay, x is 10 10 10. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I value is 2 or 1 1. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2. 50 plus 10 next 50 plus 30. There is 50 60 70 80 ಆಯ್ತು. 80 plus 2 is 82. So 80 plus 2 is equal to 82. So answer is 82. Third question. So third question, CLXIX. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ CLXIX ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. The value of C is 100, L is 50, X is 10, I value is 1 and X value is again 10. See, 100 plus 50 is 150 and 10 is 160. So highly 100, 50 plus 10 is 50 plus 10 is 60, and here first kami number 1 number ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ 10, that means you have to subtract this 1 from 10. 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is 9, so this is 9. Okay, 100, C is 100, LX is 50 plus 10 60, this is 60, and 1x is 9, ಇದು 1x 9. Okay na. So 100 plus 60 plus 9, 169. This is equals to 169. Understood? Okay. So the answer is 169. Okay. Next fourth problem. CXI. The value of C is 100. X is 10. I 1. See, but to greater number, I mean, 10 is greater number, 1 is smaller number. Correct order. That means 100 plus 10 plus 1. This is 111. So the value is 111. Okay now. Next question. LXXV. L andre ಎಷ್ಟು? L andre 50, X andre 10, X andre 10, V andre 5. So 50 greater number, smaller or equal. Next is 5. So 50, 60, 70. This is 70 plus 5. Therefore 75. The value is 75. Okay na? Next question. So next question is XXXIX. See, XXXIX andre X value is 10, its value is 10, the X value is 10 again, and I value is 1, X value is 10. See, ಯಾವಾಗ smaller number ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ greater number ಬರುತ್ತೆ, you have to subtract this 1 minus 10 minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 10 10 10 is 30 and 1 minus 10 is 9. 30 plus 9, so equal to 39. Therefore the answer is 39. Okay na. Next problem nodona. So CXXXI. C is 100, X is 10, X is 10, X is 10, and I value is 1. So 100 plus 10, 120, 30. So 100 plus 30 plus 1, 131 is equal to 131. The value is 131. Okay na. So next question. XL. X is 10, L is 50. So first 10 ಕಮ್ಮಿ number ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ L 50, that is you should subtract 50 minus 10 is 40. The value is 40. Okay, XL value is 40. Next XC. So X value is 10, C is 100. See, 10 first 10 value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is less, ಆಮೇಲೆ 100 value more. Therefore you have to subtract 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. Therefore the value of XC is 90. Is it clear? So next is DCII. D, the value of D is 500, C is 100, I is 1 1. So D ಗೆ 500 ಆದರೆ 500 greater more ಇದೆ, so C is lesser. Okay, and I ಎಷ್ಟು 1 1 ಇದೆ, so it is first greater number and smaller number and smaller number. Okay, then you have to add all this. 500 plus 100 600, 600 plus 2, that is 602. The answer is 602. Okay na, the value is 602. Next question. Next main, express the following numbers as Roman numerals. So you have to express a number in Roman. Ulta, you have to write in, now you have to write in Roman numerals. They will be giving in Indo-Arabic numerals. Okay, 32. So how to write 32? The value of 30. First 30, 32 is written as 30 plus 2. Okay, 30, how can you write 30? 10, 20, 30. This is 30 and 2. 2 is I. Okay, therefore 32. Second question. 50. The value of 50. 55. 50 is Mr. 50 is L. So the value of 50 is L. That's all. Third question. 38. Again 38 can be written as 30 plus 8. So 30 value is x 30. 8 ge 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is 38. Next fourth question is 640. So 600 ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ? 600 is 600 plus 40. So 600 plus 40. 600 is written as 500 plus 100. Okay, now 40 is written as 50 minus 10. ಅಂದರೆ minus 10 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. 10 50 minus 10. Okay, so 500 plus 100. I will write 500 plus 100. 500 value is to D, 100 value C. So this is 600 ಆಯ್ತು. 500 plus 100 600 and 10 minus 50, that is 50 minus 10 is just 40. I will write 40. 10 is X, 50 is L. So for 40 you can't write X ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸರಿ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, you have to write 50 minus 10, that is XL. So DCXL, the answer is DCXL. Okay na? So for 640 you have to write DCXL. Next question, 94. For 90 you can't write 50 60 70 80 90 ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, 4 ಸರಿ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, that is wrong. Therefore you have to write 100 minus 10. So for 90 you have to write 100 minus 10. 100 hinge 100 is C minus 10 is X. You can't write X here. This is 100 plus 10 ಆಯ್ತು. 100 minus 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. So 100 minus 10 is, this is 90. You have 4. How to write 4? 4 ನೀವು 1 1 1 1 ಅಂತ 4 ಸರಿ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So you have to write 5 minus 1, that is I minus IV. This is 4. So the 90 and 4. This is 94. Okay. The answer for 94 is XCIV. For 300 you have to write 100 3 times. That's all. For 300 100 ಏನು? 100 is C. So C ಅಂತ 3 ಸರಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 100 plus 100 plus 100, it is 300. For 400 you have to write, you can't write C 400 is 400 ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, it is wrong. You can't write 4 more than 3 times. So 400 ಗೆ 500 minus 100 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ತರ? 500 is D, 100 is C. So CD ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದು is equal to 400 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Okay, next question 89. See 89 ಗೆ 50 plus 3. 50 ಎಷ್ಟು? 50 plus 80. This is 80 plus 9. 89 ನಾವು 80 ರೋಮನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು 50 plus 30. So 50 plus 30 ಹಿಂಗೆ 50 value is, right, L. 50 plus 30 ಗೆ X. This is 30. 9. For 9 you can't write V 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. This is 5 6 7 8 9 ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So you can't write 4 times. So write 10 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So L x x x I x ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it is that 89 50 60 70 80 and 9. Okay na? L x x x I x. So next 110. So this is nothing but 100 plus 10. ತುಂಬಾ easy. 100 ಎಷ್ಟು? 100 ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ? 100 ಗೆ c and 10 ಗೆ x. So cx is equal to 100 and 10. Cx is equal to 110. Okay na? Next is 210. So for 210 you have to write 2 times 100. So this is 200 plus 10. For 200 you have to write 100 and 100. ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, 100 ಎಷ್ಟು value? c. So c plus x. 10, the value of 10 is x. So x. The answer is ccx, that is 210. Next question is 900. For 900 you can't write d ಬಂದು 500. This is 600 700 800 900 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So now it is more than 3 times, so you can't write repeat the same digit more than 3. So for 900 you have to write 1000 minus 100. The value of 1000 is m. M and the symbol, the value of 1000 is m and 100 is c. So this is cm. Cm, that means c andre 100, m andre 1000. This is 100 minus 1000. 1000 minus 100 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the value is 900. Okay na? If you write mc, this is 1000 plus 100. So ಇದು 1100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. mc is 1100 but cm is 900. Okay, so here we have come to the end of exercise 1.1. okay student, thank you.